Welcome to the class 7 students. This is the continuation part of the chapter excretory system in humans. In my previous video, I have discussed the concept of excretion and the different types of excretory products in humans. And I have also told you the different main components of the excretory system in humans. Okay. Now, here you can see that I have drawn the excretory system or the urinary system in human beings. And this is the topic that I am going to discuss with you all today. See, humans have an elaborate excretory or urinary system to eliminate nitrogenous waste products. It consists of the following parts which I have already discussed: kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Now, look at this picture. Here, I have drawn all the structures but I have not labelled it. I will label it now so that you can understand. So, these are the two kidneys. So, I am drawing it here. Kidney. Next, ureter. I will discuss their structure and function in details. Urinary bladder. Urethra. So these are the four main parts of the excretory system in humans. Okay, first talking about the kidneys. Okay, now there are a pair of bean-shaped reddish brown structures that are located just above the waist on either side of the backbone. So kidney is basically located on your back side, means towards the backbone and near the waist. And there are two kidneys in one person's body, and they are bean-shaped and their color is dark or dark red or reddish brown. Okay, so this is the basic structure of kidney and located near the waist on either side of the backbone. Okay, now what is the main function of kidney? They filter the impure blood and produce urine. So blood goes inside the urine and they get filtered and urine is produced consisting of the toxic materials. Okay, and it is thrown out of the body. This is what kidney does. The basic, in short, what kidney does. Okay. Now coming to the ureters, they are again from two kidneys, two ureters arise. Okay, one on each side. These are narrow tubes that lead out from each kidney, and they join the urinary bladder. As you can see, these tubes carry urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. So within the kidney, the blood is filtered and urine is produced. From the kidney, the urine is carried through the ureters and is stored here in the urinary bladder. So ureters are two narrow tubes which start from the kidney and in the urinary bladder. Coming to the third one, what is urinary bladder? It is a pouch-like, as you can see, it is a pouch-like muscular organ in which urine is stored temporarily. It is stored here, means urine is produced here, carried via the ureter, through the ureter, and is stored within the urinary bladder temporarily for some time until and unless this urinary bladder becomes full of urine and pressure is exerted, which will stimulate urination. Okay, which will stimulate emptying of the urinary bladder. In an adult male, the average capacity of the urinary bladder varies from 150 to 300 liter. It can hold up to 150 to 300 milliliters of urine. Okay, this urinary bladder can hold. Coming to the last part, which is urethra. It is a tube-like opening. As you can see, it is a very small tube-like opening which originates from the urinary bladder, and it is through this urethra, the urine which is stored temporarily within the urinary bladder is thrown out. Okay, so this is what the total structure of excretory system in human beings look like. Kidney, two kidneys being shaped reddish brown colored kidneys where blood is filtered, and then urine is formed. The formed urine is taken from the kidneys to the urinary bladder via the ureter, where in the urinary bladder it is stored for some time temporarily, and finally when this becomes full, it is thrown out of the body through this very small tube known as urethra. Okay, I hope this whole topic means structure of excretory system is clear to you all. This diagram you will have to practice for your examination. Okay, figure 7.2 you will have to practice. Okay, now I will talk about the structure of kidney, particularly kidney. I will talk about how its structure is. So structure means how from the inside, what is the structure of the kidney, internal structure. Okay, so here you will see a longitudinal section of kidney which I have drawn here. Okay, now what is a longitudinal section? I have written here AS of kidney. AS means longitudinal section of kidney. Now what is longitudinal section? If I cut something longitudinally, we will be able to see, means suppose here kidney is located and I cut it from here, so I will be able to see the insides of the kidney, the internal structure of the kidney throughout the area. Okay, so this is the longitudinal section of this kidney, which helps us to understand or study the inside structure of the kidney. Now each kidney in longitudinal section shows two distinct regions, an outer dark region called cortex and an inner lighter region called medulla. Okay, so here the outer portion is known as the cortex and the inner portion is known as, means this portion is known as medulla. Inner, I am writing it here so that you can understand, and outer. The outer part of the kidney is known as the cortex and the inner part is known as the medulla. Okay, and the cortex is a dark colored region and the medulla is the lighter colored region. Inside each kidney there are millions of microscopic filtering tubes or units called nephrons. Now nephrons, what are nephrons? Nephrons are the structural and functional unit of kidney. So inside each kidney there are about 1 million of nephrons, which are the filtering tubes which actually produce the urine, filter the blood and produce the urine. So when I was talking about the kidney filters blood and produces urine, the millions of nephrons within the kidney does that function. Okay, so now I will discuss about the different structures and the parts of the kidney. And from this picture you will only have to learn that the outer part of the areas of kidney is known as cortex and the inner part is known as the medulla. Okay, in my next video I will talk about the structure of a nephron, as I said, which is the structural and functional unit of kidney. Okay.